Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the healing tools. These are your healing tools over here on the right on the toolbar. Spot healing, healing brush, patch tool, content aware move tool. A lot of these tools you can consider using when you do the new assignment that will be coming up in a couple weeks, photographic restoration. The clone stamp or clone tool is another big one to use for that project as well. Okay, so the content aware for the spot healing brush, I'm just going to unlock the background. I'm going to grab the spot healing brush. I'm going to go to make sure that I have a hardness of 100. Normal, make sure I'm on content aware. And then I'm going to cover with one continuous stroke. So I'm going to increase my brush. And then use just one continuous stroke. Okay, and then I can continue to clean up with that same tool or try other tools to get the results that I'm looking for. The book says try replace if the normal mode doesn't work. I think that's good enough for our demo. Okay, and that was the after. That was the before. Might go to the spot healer. Yeah, the book says, try other tools to, ultimately get the results you're looking for. Okay. The before, the after. Okay, our next tool is the content aware fill. Okay, it says you're going to duplicate the background layer. With the duplicated background or the duplicated layer selected, you're going to loosely select the area. Just zoom in on this a little bit. The book says loosely select. I guess we'll go ahead and use maybe the patch tool to loosely select. Don't know if it really makes a difference what tool you use. Actually, let's scratch that. Let's deselect. Let's go to the content aware move tool and loosely select. That was not supposed to move like that. Okay. So since we're doing a content aware fill, we'll just use the content aware move tool. So edit, fill, you'll make sure it's on content aware, color adaptation, normal, opacity of 100. Okay, and then deselect. Okay, the book says that you can add a mask if there's areas that you want to remove, areas you don't want sampled. Okay, the next one is going to be the content aware move tool. It says to sample all layers, but we only have one layer. Content aware move tool, sample all layers. This is optional, transform to drop. Okay, it says again, you're going to loosely select the area. I'm going to grab the shadow in there too. This tool can be rather finicky. I'm not really sure why. It says you're going to choose move from the option bar. Now, if I wanted to make another layer where what was moved ends up in another layer, I would do extend, and it would go to a new blank layer. Okay, and I'm just going to move it. I didn't really move it as far as I wanted, but that's good for now. Let's try one more time. Okay, so it says that, I'm not sure why the elbow is warped. Let's see if we can go back. Not really sure why it's doing that. Let's go back. Let's try taking that off. I was struggling with this before. Oh boy. Let's try making a new selection. Now, when I do it when I'm not on the video, it's perfect. When I'm on the video, it's not. Try it again. Please work. Not really sure why. Maybe we need to do a little bit of a looser selection, maybe? Maybe that's what it is. I'll try doing a looser selection. Maybe that's what we need. Yeah, that looks like that's what it was. Might have been a little too close. Let's try it there. Technology. We'll go with that. Okay, so the book says you're going to watch your value, your structure value 1 through 0, loosely or strictly, and your color value 0 through 10. The higher the number, the more the blending. 0 is deactivate. Let's try structure. We don't want that. Oops, how did that happen? Okay, we'll just leave it there. And then H, Control H is hide. Okay, and we have one more. The patch tool to move. You're going to remove an image element with the patch tool. Choose a new blank layer. Choose the patch tool. Choose content aware. Drag around the area to be moved. And then you're going to drag it to an area that looks similar. Not that great of a job, but I was a little distracted. You could probably use some of these other tools to clean it up and make it a little bit more seamless. Okay, guys, we'll go ahead and end there. Again, that was the patch tool. You loosely select and then drag it to an area that looks similar, and it will move that object and fill that area with the area that you move it to. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you.